Welcome to the latest Mango Report. Can artificial intelligence, AI, knowingly lie? In the age of rapidly advancing artificial intelligence, questions of agency, ethics, and intent are more relevant than ever. Among these, the idea of whether AI can knowingly lie touches on the core distinctions between machine behavior and human consciousness. While artificial intelligence can generate false information and even be directed to produce misleading content, it cannot knowingly lie in the human sense. This is because lying requires intent, awareness, and an understanding of truth, faculties that AI does not possess. The nature of lying. To lie knowingly is not merely to state something false. Rather, it is to make a statement one believes to be false with the intent to deceive. Lying involves a mental model of both the truth and the beliefs of others, as well as the conscious decision to manipulate that perception for a particular purpose. This presumes an internal understanding of truth, belief, and intention, traits that are intimately tied to consciousness and self-awareness. AI's lack of consciousness and intent. AI, including large language models like ChatGPT, lacks consciousness, self-awareness, and subjective experience. It does not have beliefs, desires, or goals unless explicitly programmed to simulate them. What AI does is process inputs, such as prompts, and generate outputs, responses, based on patterns in the data it was trained on. This means that while it may produce statements that are false, it does not do so out of an intent to deceive. For example, if an AI says that the capital of Canada is Toronto, it is actually Ottawa. This is not a lie, it is an error. The AI has no belief that this information is true or false, nor does it have any intention to mislead. It simply generated a likely response based on its training data and the prompt it was given. Deception by design. There are cases where AI might appear to lie. For instance, in role-playing scenarios or adversarial settings like deepfakes, chatbots in customer service simulations, or security testing tools. AI may be explicitly programmed to generate false or misleading outputs. However, even in these cases, the AI is not lying knowingly. It is following instructions given by its developers or users, without comprehension or moral reasoning. The decision to deceive originates with the human operator or system designer, not the AI itself. This raises ethical questions not about the AI, but about those who use it. The responsibility for deception, misuse, or harm lies with the people who create and control these systems, not with the systems themselves. AI, misinformation, and responsibility. Despite the fact that AI cannot knowingly lie, the spread of false information by AI systems is a real and pressing concern. AI can hallucinate facts, fabricate sources, and give confident but incorrect answers. In this sense, AI becomes a vector for misinformation, even if not a conscious agent of it. Therefore, developers, companies, and policymakers must implement safeguards to minimize the risk of AI-generated falsehoods. This includes building transparency, accountability, and mechanisms for fact-checking into AI deployment. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence, as it exists today, does not have the capacity to knowingly lie. It lacks the conscious awareness, beliefs, and intentions that are prerequisites for deception. While AI may generate false or misleading content, this is a function of its design and limitations, not an act of willful dishonesty. As AI continues to evolve, society must remain vigilant in ensuring it is used ethically and responsibly. Not by attributing human-like intent to machines, but by recognizing the human choices behind their outputs.